Hello guys, my name is AlexTheGrumpyOne and today I'm here with a nice quick video on a review of my new LED torch, as you can see here from US Pro. I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing video and comparison against my old LED torch and just show you all the functions that you get with this. Right guys, so I'm in the workshop now. It's afternoon, so it's a bit darker now. I'm gonna turn the lights off in a bit and show you the difference between the two tools that I got. So this is the new tool that I'm reviewing obviously, and this is my tool that I use daily. So I'm gonna show you the difference between the lights and the functions as well, and why I think the US Pro, my new one, is quite handy to use, especially when you're working on cars. Right guys, so I shut my doors, I'm in the workshop and I'm gonna try my daily torch now. So this is the top light, this is the main one. Now let's try the new tool. So you obviously got different functions. This is even brighter one, the second setting, as you can see. So if you press them quickly, you go through all the options, the red light as well, the flash, and if you press and hold the button, the top one comes on, and that also got two settings, dim and bright. As you can see, even that is very good. I just want to show you quick guys, like on the brake inspection for the vehicles, obviously this has actually got quite a big gap there, but sometimes you got wheels with the half of that. So this one, like I said, because it's small and thin, it fits in there perfectly, and you can inspect your brakes, look at your pads and discs, even goes to the other side if you need it to. So yeah, well handy for that. And I mean, look, that is mental. That is well too bright, to be honest. I'm not even going to be using it on a full main bin setting. I'm going to be using just on the dimmer one, because that is bright enough. I mean, this is going to light up the whole street, to be honest. And the other handy thing guys, it's so light compared to the other one, and because you got this little hook, obviously you can hook it and turn it on. That helps. But also I'm going to be using this to just put on my trousers. This is my work trousers, so you can just hang it on there and you can't even feel it. So for the MOT inspection or for servicing or etc., even if you're doing work at home, this is perfect because it's out of the way. You can't even feel anything. Right guys, the other thing is you get the manual there, and obviously explains you all the settings, how long it takes to charge, and what the indicators, the little lights at the back mean, obviously how much charge you got left. So it's like the warning lights. And this also explains you how long the battery lasts on each setting, which is quite handy. So I can confirm that the times are quite accurate, to be honest, and you charge it up quickly as well, because I've been using it for 2 days now and the battery is staying good. The only thing I have to mention is just the point that the this only comes with the charging cable and not the socket itself. But to be honest guys, I'm pretty sure all of you already got a socket for your phone charger or for the older torch. It's all the same, just USB one. You can even charge it in your car or on your laptop or wherever. Anything that got obviously USB feed to it will charge it up. Right guys, so this example I got the L200 Mitsubishi. I mean, I'm going to point at a few directions, going to turn the light on. I mean, you can use the top one, as you can see. Why I think this is better than the other torch in the car world pretty much, is because you can bend that a little bit and that fits in pretty much all the tight spaces you can see there, or you can press and hold it and change it to the front one, and as you can see, look, that is mental how bright that is. And like I said, you can fit in all the tight spaces that you can't fit the other one in, and then you can turn that for different angles. Obviously, once you got the magnet, you just stick it on there, and there you go, or the same on the bonnet or wherever you're doing. So I am impressed with this light, to be honest. I'm definitely going to be using it from now on. As you can see, like tight spaces, that fits perfectly in there, and everything becomes bright. Like I say, if you think it's too bright, you got plenty of options to dim it a little bit. This is the dimmest it goes, so just the light in case you're working against it, that is not too bad, because the full bright one makes your eyes hurt, to be honest. So like I said, let's have a look under the car. Just a quick one. I know my obviously lights are on, but there you go, look at that. I mean, you can see even the other brakes on the other side. So yeah, I'm definitely happy with this torch, definitely recommend this. So I'm gonna put the link to this torch directly in my description below, and I'm also gonna put the link to Tools to Direct, which is where I got this torch from. They got lots of stuff on their website, have a look, not just US Pro, and they do a lot of different tools and brands, so definitely recommend having a look at that. So yeah guys, so far on this torch, well impressed, I'm well happy with this, and I'm going to be using it as my daily torch from now on. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you found this useful and that it helped you to make your choice. If you need any more help, or if you need any other information about it, please let me know. So like I said guys, if this was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment below for any more info. Have a good day, bye.